In Unit 1, Lab 1, page 5, we're going to create a second script that welcomes the player to the game when the green flag is clicked. You may have been wondering a little bit about the shape of the When I Am Clicked block and any other blocks that have that same type of shape inside of the control palette. These blocks can't have any other blocks attached above them. Blocks that have this sort of hat shape are called hat blocks. Hat blocks detect events, such as a mouse click when the user clicks on a sprite, or a keyboard keystroke, or like I mentioned above, clicking the green flag button. We can add the When Green Flag is Clicked hat block to our scripts so that they all start at the same time. Suppose you have multiple sprites in your program and you want all of them to be at a certain position on the stage when the program starts. The When Green Flag is Clicked block acts like a movie director yelling action to all of the actors who are like sprites, so that they know they should start doing whatever they're supposed to be doing. Let's drag over a When Green Flag is Clicked block over to the scripting area. Using the green flag button, we can broadcast an event to all of the sprites so that when they all receive this event, they know what to do. When the sprites receive this event, they might grow bigger, they might go to different locations on the stage, they might hide or show themselves, and it's good practice to have every sprite with a When Green Flag Clicked block. Let's put this block to use by having Alonzo go to a specific point on the stage whenever the green flag is clicked. We'll have him go to 190, -130, and say a welcome message when the green flag is clicked. To accomplish this, we're going to need to use the say block found in the looks palette. So I'm going to go over to looks and find the say block and drag it underneath when green flag is clicked. We can modify the input of the say block to say something like welcome to the game. I'm going to run the program in its current state by clicking on the green flag button. And notice that Alonzo is saying welcome to the game, which we just programmed him to do. We can make the message disappear when the player clicks Alonzo by using a say block with a blank input and then using a control block when I am clicked. So let's add another When I Am Clicked block, another hat block that is going to detect that event, and let's add a blank say block from the looks palette. Instead of saying hello, we're going to make it blank, so when you click on Alonzo, he is going to stop saying welcome to the game. Notice that Alonzo moved when I clicked him because it's still detecting this event that we have code for up top, where if Alonzo is clicked, he'll switch over to the next costume and then go to a random location on the stage. In fact, we could optimize our code right now by dragging this say block, this blank one, underneath go to XY. And we can get rid of this hat block when I am clicked, so now when I click on the green flag button, Alonzo is going to say welcome to the game, and when I click him, he's going to stop saying anything. There is something I forgot to do, and that's have Alonzo go to the same spot every time the game is started when I click the green flag. So right now, when I click the green flag, Alonzo is going to say welcome to the game no matter where he is. And then when I click on him, that's going to disappear. But if I click on the green flag up here, he's going to say welcome to the game, and he's going to be in a completely different spot. I want Alonzo to start at the same location on the stage each time the green flag button is clicked. So I have to add some code from the motion palette to make Alonzo go to a specific location in the beginning. And I think before I mentioned that I wanted him to go to 190, -130. And let's see if this works. When I click the green flag button, he should go to that location. And it appears to have worked. Now, if I start clicking on Alonzo, he's going to start moving to random places, but when I click the green flag button, he's going to go to the bottom right of the stage. Before moving on, let's make sure to save our work. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.